Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Chapter, you will learn a variety of ways to adjust image color in the Develop module. You can control the rendering of color and tone of photos by using profiles. When you import photos into Lightroom Classic CC, Adobe Color and Adobe Monochrome profiles are applied by default, depending on whether the imported photos are color or black and white. Additionally, Lightroom Classic CC provides a variety of preloaded profiles which can be accessed in the Profile area of the basic panel. You can use the profiles as a starting point when making image adjustments and then fine-tune your edits further. When you apply a profile to a photo, previous image adjustments are not overwritten. In other words, you can edit a photo and then apply a profile on top of the edited image. To access profiles, expand the basic panel in the Develop module. The Profile drop-down menu appears near the top of the panel above the eyedropper tool. To browse the included profiles, choose Browse from the Profile drop-down menu. The Profile Browser panel then appears on screen. You can select All, Color, or B&W to filter the profiles. You can also use the drop-down menu to the right to adjust the display of the browser. The default display grid shows the various profiles within a category as a grid of small thumbnails. If you select Large from the drop-down menu, profiles appear as larger preview images. If you select List from the drop-down menu, profiles appear in a list with no preview images. Profiles are grouped into categories. Click the name of any group to see the profiles in that category. The Favorites category displays all the previews you've marked as favorites. The Basic category includes two simple profiles for black and white and color images. The Artistic category includes profiles in which color rendering is more edgy with stronger color shifts. The B&W category includes a variety of profiles designed to achieve optimal tonal shifts in black and white photos. The Modern category includes profiles that create unique effects that are consistent with modern photography styles. The Vintage category includes profiles that replicate the appearance of vintage photos. When you're working with a RAW photo, additional profile groups can appear. Adobe RAW profiles are designed to improve color rendering for RAW images. Camera matching profiles are based on the camera make and model of each RAW photo. Legacy profiles include profiles that were part of earlier versions of Adobe Lightroom. You can right-click the name of any profile group and select Expand All from the pop-up menu to display all of the profiles from all groups. Similarly, you can right-click the name of any profile group and choose Collapse All to collapse all profile groups in the profile browser. To see the effect that a profile will have on a photo, expand the profile group in the profile browser. Then hover your mouse pointer over that effect within the panel. The image display area then shows the effect of that profile on the selected photo. To apply the profile to the photo, click the profile within the profile browser. You'll also notice that some profile groups display an additional amount slider when you apply a profile from that group to a photo. For example, when you click to apply one of the artistic profiles to a photo, an amount slider appears at the top of the profile browser. You can use the slider to control the intensity of the profile. The amount slider is only available when you apply artistic, B&W, modern, and vintage profiles. You can also add profiles to the favorites profile group. To do this, browse Profiles with the profile display set to Grid or Large. Hover on the thumbnail or preview image of the profile you want to add to the favorites group. A star icon then appears in the upper right corner of the thumbnail or preview image. Click the star icon to add the profile to the favorites group. If you're browsing profiles with the display set to List, then the star icon appears next to each profile's name. You can then access the profile within the Favorites profile group. Lightroom Classic CC provides a Manage Profiles option which lets you show or hide various profile groups. This can be helpful if, for example, you only want to display the Favorites profile group. To customize the appearance of the profile browser, right-click the name of any profile group and then choose the Manage Profiles command from the pop-up menu that appears. The Manage Profiles dialog box then appears on screen. Use the checkbox options to select which profiles you want to see in the profile browser. Any profile group with a checkmark will be displayed in the browser. Any profile group without a checkmark will be hidden. When you uncheck a profile group, you aren't deleting profiles from Lightroom Classic CC, you're just suppressing them from view. When you're done making your choices, click the Save button to close the dialog box and apply your changes. The profile browser then displays only the profile groups you selected. To restore the hidden profile groups, right-click the name of a profile group in the profile browser and select the Reset Hidden Profiles command from the pop-up menu. To exit the profile browser panel and return to the basic panel, click the Close button in the upper right corner of the profile browser.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.